Hello everyone, how are you today? Um, let's talk about the upcoming update, AI update. And currently I'm working on a partner system and I wanted to demonstrate where we are, what we have. And let's start with firefighters. We are in the city marine. This is just testing scene and there is no city in background, just for faster loads and faster tests. Uh, we have fire here and need for spreader for vehicle collision there. Uh, for testing I have this partner menu, but in game you will have your roles, stations options only. For example, for police you will have some options to spawn in police, for fire and EMS. And we have this booth, they're coming out. Initially they will follow you and idle around. I can remove them, and you can see upper right corner we have icons showing their action, what they are doing, their health. And let me do currently a test with 2 firefighters. Okay, for testing their detection zone is reduced, just as this area is quite small. It's easier for test specific areas when we just run closer to them. And let's move on. The truck represents the player vehicle. When they detect a mission task, they will run towards the trunk and get their tool, in this case the fire extinguisher. They try to detect obstacles around them and take angles and positions to take out fire, for example. For police, they move around as well to avoid being shot. After they are done, they should go to the trunk again and put down their tools. We are nearly done. Let me spawn another one just for the testing. Yeah, the icons changed from fire to idle for them. So I spawned 3 of them just to show you that currently we have these 2 cars, 2 doors need spreaders, and 2 of them chose each door for which they will take, and the third one will just follow me because they are already taking care of that. So if there would be a fire, then the third one would be go to the fire, or another car if needs. Oh, sorry, I pushed them. Yep. Yep. They will bring back those tools to the trunk. And then return to following you. Okay, I will just remove currently the fire partners, and let's move on to police. I'm spawning 3. Currently for testing there are no limits. I can spawn more. But in game, I'm thinking to limit them to 3 because most vehicles have 4 seats, so you could drive with them as a team. Maybe for SWAT we could increase it, but yeah, let me know what do you think. Let me remove those. Okay, let's move on. Here we have just regular pedestrians, and here we are testing just frisking mechanics. We have new animations. They split up what they detected as first, and these guys will be clean. They will be frisked and test that other police partners won't frisk them again because it's all done already. Okay, we are done here, and they will follow me to the next task. Yeah, I'm running a bit faster than them. It's a cheat, just for testing purposes. Here we have pedestrians that needs to be arrested, but they don't have any weapons, and just purely for testing arrest mechanics with new animations as well. Okay, they detected. One of the partners decides which will go for the arrest, and others just cover them. And if they would be detecting other in the area, they will just move on to the next pedestrian, next suspect, for example. As we see now, they are. Yeah, the icons on the upper right corner is showing the handcuffs, meaning that they are in the process of arresting. Text prompt could be useful, maybe, that they are going in. There is another one. So AIs now have a field of vision and proximity detection. So suspects can like get lost around the corner, then they will check their last known position and wander around and eventually follow you if suspect is gone, so you could be helping to determine where they went and what needs to be done. Okay, if here we have these guys arrested, let's move on to the shooting phase. These will be armed suspects. We'll be shooting immediately to our partners. I am invisible to these suspects just for testing. They are two hanging on the doors. And yep, they saw that. Okay, we lost the partner. As you can see on the right upper corner, we have indicating icon that one is down. Let me get EMS over here. Of course, I'm using currently the partner side, but you would have EMS partner only if you are EMS player. But if it was AI backup, they would arrive and essentially be similar actions. They would detect, any ragdolls or mission tasks and try to help you. Okay, they saw the bodies. They will try to find nearest trunk, which is EMS trunk, and get the stretcher, which currently is work in progress detail. They will just go there and despawn the body. I got to get around this idea. If they call an additional unit to pick up the body, or you choose to take this one to hospital, because we have only one stretcher one place in our player's EMS vehicle. Yes, they move forward to the next body. As the EMS is working, we will, with our partners, move forward to the next suspects. Why here? Because this is testing place for steep surface. Earlier we had issues for AI to shoot up and down. Currently that's been improved. They can aim and shoot on angle. Yes, the physics is still there of sliding bodies. Police can take covers on the edges of their platforms they're working. Yeah, it can be time random or cycle random. For example, if the suspect is engaged in certain loops, the police will try to take cover or go around the corner and do things like that to make more diverse behavior. Yeah, the EMS just is not a target for suspects, but for testing I had all-in suspects that will shoot anybody around them. Pedestrians, EMS, fire, and anyone. So we'll see about the difficulty aspect of that if we need such rage NPCs. Yeah, about this update, we are currently looking the partner part could be released sometime in June, and after that we'll be working on the arrival aspect, the driving NPCs driving aspects. So basically making these partners into AI backup. I hope you like the progress. I'm really excited. These guys all been made from scratch, and all these new features will be implemented in current suspects and pedestrians that we have in game, with improved pathfinding and vision and senses to make it feel more natural, not quite real life, but yeah, more natural. And yeah, let's keep working, and any feedback welcome. Please share any ideas how it should work, and we will listen and check out what can be done. Thank you. Have a nice day.